If you're having issues with mobile internet on Android, don't worry, here are some steps to fix it. So first of all, open up your settings, open up your connections, now find your data usage tab. Here, make sure to turn on your mobile data, right? Check the signal level right here at the top right corner of your screen. So if the signal is weak or fluctuating, you have to move to a spot with better coverage, right? Like near a window or away from obstructions that could block the signal. Also, sometimes it helps when you're just reloading it. So turn it off, turn it back on. If nothing helps, we can also try to turn on our airplane mode. So swipe down from the top of the screen, tap on your airplane mode, give it a couple seconds, now turn it off again, and in most cases it really helps, and it helps a lot. Also, in your settings, in your data usage tab, make sure that your data saver is off. Also check your mobile data usage, because you can accidentally turn on your data saver, right, and your data limit, and they will prevent from accident data disconnection. The next thing what can help is to check on your date and time. So open up your settings, scroll down to your general management, here it is. Here choose your date and time option and make sure that your automatic date and time and automatic time zone options are enabled. Incorrect settings can affect network performance, especially after traveling between time zones. Also, if nothing works, we can go back into our general management, and here we gotta find our reset option, choose reset network settings, and confirm your choice by pressing reset settings. Now you have to enter your PIN if you have one, press reset, and as you see, network settings reset, which is a very good sign. This action will return network settings to default but erase safe Wi-Fi passwords if there are any. Right, the next good thing to do is to contact your carrier if your issue still persists. Call your carrier support line. There could be technical issues or maintenance on their side. They can check your SIM card settings, and we offer additional solutions. Also, we can check on our app section. So find your app section, here it is. Find any app which might be using an excessive data without your knowledge. So for example, let's check that on our Facebook or Chrome, right? So open up your Google Chrome. Here we're gonna find our mobile data, and here you'll see a usage of a total of your mobile data. So if it's consuming too much, simply disable it. And basically, that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing on our channel.